Hi, Andrea Storm, and I'm back. So, for those of you who know that I'm an artist, great. And those of you who don't, well, I'm trying to be an artist. And a lot of what that means is I'm a problem solver. A problem solver. I can't seem to, I guess, to solve the problem of having a place to keep that phone. I guess I could buy something, but I don't rely on buying things. I usually just create solutions because I see a problem, I get impatient, and then I come up with solutions in my brain and I put them out there, right? So just now, I needed to create a holy delivery system, which is, that powder that you put up. Okay, look it up online. Got this powder that I'm using to, celebrate, right? Okay. They sell it online. Um, it's an Indian-based tradition, I believe. But I wanted a delivery system, and I don't have whatever it is that they use, and I was thinking of different methods. So the first method was a little vial that I tested to check out the consistency of the product itself. And it blew it in the air, and it was very cool. It was pink. And I thought, well, what about something else? So I took a piece of aluminum foil, and I coned it up into this little cup holding looking thing. Of course, we'll lose some inside. It's really more so the shape and the delivery system that I'm interested in for this particular. Like, you have the ability to, right, draw the air, color the air, not just up in the air and down it comes, right? That's at the will of nature. This is free will and choice, right? To freely will it in a direction and choose. Now, I like this. This is kind of cool. Although it won't be stable, I'll be working with it. But what really struck me is the shape of the design. It's floral in nature. It's clearly based off of something I have seen in the earth. And I've been driven by repeating this design that I've been working on. And you may see one of my images online for years. I mean, decades. I won't tell you because then I date myself. But here, let's do the reverse view. Oopsie. I wholly believe that this right here, this device, is the three-dimensional version of what I've been working on for a lifetime. And I don't get why this is so hard for you. It wasn't a nice gesture. Lila wanted it brings me to tears in a wonderful way because first of all, I'm sharing with you how I process as an artist. Second of all, I'm sharing with you how I create and develop things. I mean, it's pretty simple, like I just take things, test it out, and then I turn it into material. It starts here, and I'm just not satisfied until it's physical. Let's not even get me started on affordable housing, but that's a whole nother, that's the serious issue. And our environment, that's another very serious issue. But right now I'm just worrying about how I'm going to deliver that pink powder. It's totally organic. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a celebratory thing. I promised myself that I would allow myself to do that when I graduated with my bachelor's, but I didn't. I put it off. And then I never celebrated with my master's, and I didn't. And I put it off. And I didn't celebrate with various other milestones. So I'm taking all of the milestones for which I have great gratitude, and I'm delivering a grateful celebration for myself, with my delivery system. And interestingly enough, something entirely different is evolving from it. Something I've been working on for years. I can see it in my mind's eye right now. I'm not going to tell you what it is because that's not the way I operate. I keep it in there until I have a team or the ability or the material to do it, and then I do it, right? Shouldn't you just get it done? Because it's so much easier done than said. Easier to just get her done. On that note, I've got some breakfast in the oven and I'm going to go grab that along with my coffee. So please be well, be great. Thanks for listening. And yeah, I loved watching cartoons when I was a kid. That's how I learned English.